Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho and if they offer joint accounts. Many people are looking for a simple and effective way to manage shared finances, whether it's with a partner, a family member, or a roommate. A joint account can be a great solution for this. So, does Koho offer joint accounts? The answer is yes. Koho, the Canadian fintech company, does provide a joint account feature. This allows two people to share a single account and a prepaid MasterCard, which can be a convenient way to handle shared expenses like groceries, rent, or a vacation fund. The Koho joint account comes with some useful features. You and the other account holder each get your own card and have equal access to the funds. You can track all spending in real time through the app, which helps with transparency and shared budgeting. It also allows you to set shared financial goals and save together. This can be a simple and low-fee alternative to traditional bank joint accounts. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.